Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by confirming the exact blade sizes for your Mazda 3. Driver 24 inches, passenger 18 inches, and rear 11 inches if equipped. Purchase replacements that match those lengths and specify Bosch, OEM, or equivalent brands. Ensure the package includes a hook style and pin type adapter to fit the original arm. Park the car on level ground, turn the ignition off, and make sure wipers rest flat on the windshield. Lay a towel on the glass to prevent chips if a springed arm snaps down. Gather a flat screwdriver and gloves. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield carefully until it locks upright, taking care not to flex or let a springed arm snap back onto the glass. For most front hook-style arms, locate and press the small plastic release tab, then slide the blade downward and off the hook. Rotate the blade if needed to maneuver past the arm. For rear pin-type blades, flip the hatch or trunk, locate the tiny retaining clip, use a small screwdriver to lift the clip, and push the metal pin out to free the blade assembly. Align the new replacement blade with the arm adapter and slide until you hear a firm click confirming secure engagement. Confirm the blade's rubber edge faces the windshield and the adapter matches the arm type. Lower the arm gently onto the windshield. For rear blades, reinstall the pin and clip, then close the hatch. Start the ignition and test wipers at low speed, then high, verifying full 100% sweep coverage, no streaking, no skipping, and that washer fluid sprays clear. Replace blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.